Hello, my name is Xander Verger. I'm with Portage-based Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to implement the portal sort headers for a single file example. First thing we want to do is open up our demo file and go to the Objects for Copying layout. We can begin to follow the instructions. First, we're going to copy the sort ascending and sort descending fields from one of the tables. So we'll open up the table. And I've got them actually pasted into each table, but we can copy them from any of them. We'll copy those out. We'll go to the solution that we're going to copy them into. I've got a contacts table here with a portal on the layout of all of the contacts. And it's referenced as contacts 2. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the database here and go ahead and paste those in. I tossed them on the layout. I'm going to remove those. We don't really want them there. And I'm going to make some space down here at the bottom for the next step. We'll go back into our portal sort header example. The next thing that we want to do is set the portal sort values to sort ascending as ascending and sort descending as descending. Select the portal. Enable sort. Add the 2 sort fields. And change descending to be a descending sort. Go ahead and select OK, and OK again. Now we'll go back into our portal sort headers example file. The next piece that we want to do is copy or import the script set global sort field. So we'll go under scripts, select the script, copy it, go into our context database. Open up the scripts folder there and go ahead and paste that in. We can close that up. Now we'll go back into our portal sort headers one last time. And now we're going to copy the buttons, the global text calculation, and set the settings. So we'll go into layout mode, and I'm just going to copy all of this over. Go back into our contacts database. Roll out to the side here. Go ahead and paste that in. I'm just going to shift it over to the right here, off the screen. Now we have company, first name, and last name. So we can go ahead and take the first button bar under company, second button bar for first name, and third button bar for last name. We need to make sure that the calculation hide condition is on the layout so that it'll perform the let function. So I've set that on there. Let's go ahead and adjust that for the values that we need. And we're going to go ahead and fix the comment out section here so that it'll work. So for the first field name, we're going to set that to be company. For the second, we're going to use first name, and third one's going to be last name. And then we need to set the fields that they're going to sort on. So we're going to use contacts company for the first one, contacts first name for the second, and contacts last name for the third. And we'll uncomment that third line so that it'll show up. The last thing we have to do is we are going to need to refresh that portal. So we need to add the object name for the portal. I'm going to call it contacts _ list. Go ahead and set OK to that. Now we need to name our contacts portal object. That contacts list. Now we can go into browse mode, save the layout. At first it doesn't display. Go back into layout mode and then back into browse and it will display. And then each time you come to the layout it'll display. And as you can see they're sorting as they should. Now because they are button bars, they're easy to adjust. We can easily just take them into layout mode, select whichever ones we want. You could either change them with styles or individually change them and duplicate them over. They're easy to resize for whatever size you want to use them for. Etc. So there you have it. Pretty easy to install. Be sure to check for the link to our other video called Portal Sort Headers Under the Hood, where we explore the mechanics involved and how to properly reference related fields, keeping them in context. Must watch if you're having any issues. We also review adding the sort headers to list views. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.